Hello students, dear parents, how are you? This is Maths for Grade 1 of Term 1, 4th week, 3rd day lesson. Last time, I remember, we already started Chapter 2, which is Operational Numbers and Comparing Numbers. And we have seen addition of numbers and subtraction of numbers, yes? Now, for this lesson, our discussion pages are page 24 and up to 27. Okay, Mr. Melissa. Before we start, let's see the objectives. At the end of this, you'll be able to identify signs of addition, subtraction, and equal. Okay, especially we add one-digit numbers. We will see more examples in this lesson. As you remember, last time we have seen addition of and subtraction of numbers, and we have seen their symbols, signs of addition, subtraction, and equal signs, what they look like. And also we applied these operations on different objects, animals, plants, and vegetable fruits, okay? And the techniques also, we have seen that when we add two numbers, we hold the bigger in your mind and you count to the end of the smaller number. And also the two numbers that are going to be added are called addends, and the result that we get from addition is called sum. And in subtraction, to do subtraction, what we are going to do is either counting back or by subtracting. Okay, by subtracting, by deducting, we can also find the difference of two numbers, or by counting back also you can get the answers. This is what you see last time. And we have also seen some properties of addition and subtraction. Yes? Say for example, when you add 0 to a number, the result will not be changed. And when you subtract two equal numbers, the result will be 0. This is also discussed in the previous class. And I have given you one homework at the final, and here are the answers. Try to take corrections, relate your answers, compare. Say for example, here you have 5 balloons. If 2 balloons explode, well, how many left? Or how many balloons will be remain there? It will be 3. Yes? And also here you have 4 balloons. 4, if you subtract 4 out of 4, or if you cancel 4 balloons, how many will remain? 0. And also here you have 4 balloons. If you subtract 2, means if 2 balloons are exploded, how many left? 2. And here you have 5 balloons, subtract 1. And also 4 will remain. Here again you have 5. If none of them will cancel, 5 will remain. Okay, and here there were 4 minus 3, 1 remain. And here if there were 5 balloons, if 4 are left or cancel out, how many remain? 1. Okay, 1 balloon will remain. So these are the answers. Take corrections. Right, student, have you finished? Good. Now let's proceed to the today's class. Right, as I said before, this class also we will see more examples. Basic addition facts. As I said before, addition of one-digit numbers can be done by using counting techniques or by holding the bigger and counting to the end of the smaller. And we have seen some terms used in addition. This is what we see last time, and let's see it in detail. And I'll show you one model here to perform addition. Say for example, as I said last time, 1 plus 9. 1 plus 9. This is the same as adding. This is one technique of to show addition. 9. 9. This is 1 plus 9 equals 10. Okay. 10. 10. This is 1 plus 9 equals 10. Another example, you can use 3 plus 9. How many left? If you add 3 and 9, the result will be 12, right? 9 in my mind. Now count 3. It will be 9, 10, 11, 12. So the result is, or the sum is 12. I'll write the answer here, 12. And to show subtraction, I can use 7, let's say, minus 7 minus, let's say 4, and it will be 4. The answer is 3. 7 minus 4 is 3. This is how we do subtraction and addition, right? Is it clear? Good. Now let's proceed. Here also, I showed you last time. This is another model to show addition and subtraction as well. So let's say here I have nine calves, or what we call, yeah, they are animals. 9 calves, and plus plus let's say here 5 rabbits. How many in total? By counting, we can also get the answer for this one. It will be how many? It will be, the sum will be what? 9 plus 5, it's 40. Yes, 14 animal will be the result. I can also show the subtraction by using this one. I can also show the subtraction. Okay, let's get them back. And here I have 9 calves. Now subtract, or let's say 9 out of 9. I can say the result will be what? Here. If I subtract 9 minus 5, it would be 4. If I subtract 5 from 9, it will be 4. If I subtract 6, it will be 3. 3 will remain. Just like this, I can show addition and subtraction with this model. Right? Now let's continue. The next one is a video which shows addition and subtraction. Take a look at the video, and then when we come back, show you. You will do one classwork, right? And the video helps you how you're going to add numbers, okay? How you're going to add one-digit numbers. So watch the video. Okay, students, I hope the video has helped you add one-digit numbers. How to add one-digit numbers. Now, based on the video and the examples that we have seen earlier, try to solve this. Okay, you have two homeworks. The first one is on page 24. And here you have one classwork, adding one-digit numbers, and the second one is classwork is this one. Okay, second classwork on page 25. After you finish this, we'll see the answers. First classwork and the second classwork. Page 24 and 25. Now start doing. You have 10 minutes for each, 5 minutes. Okay. Now try to finish, and then we'll see. You can pause if you need. Video. Okay, have you finished? I hope you done it. You have done it, right? Now, the first one. The first it says 2 plus 3. Yes, 2 plus 3. You can count by holding the bigger and counting 2. Yes, by counting technique, it will be 5. 3 plus 2, it will be 3, 4, 5. Yes. And here it will be 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Here are the answers, and here 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the correction. Take corrections. Right? Let's proceed to the next. The next exercise is this one. It says 8 plus 7 here. Hold 8 and count 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. When you count 7, starting with 8, it will be 15. And next, 16, 17. Here, 10, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 7. Based on this, the corrections. Now, the next one is how we can apply addition on this one, interchangeable with that of subtraction. We can use addition to check subtraction or subtraction for addition. Okay, here you have doubles, 7 plus 8. Okay, to add 7 and 8, we can make it double. First, here you have 1 7 here and 1 8 can be written as what? 7 plus 1. But we know that the sum of 7 and 7 is 14. And here you have 2 7s and plus 1. By splitting into 2 and double it, we can get the answers by splitting also here. And again here also 7 plus 9. 7 plus 9 is the same as 7 plus by adding one more. Okay, 7 plus 10 is 17, and by subtracting 1 from 10 it will be 9. Is the same as this one, so the answer is the same. 7 plus 10 is 17, but subtracting 1 it will be 16. The same as the answer for 7 plus 9. You can exercise in this way. Okay, this is another way of adding. okay, on subtracting. Okay, you can exercise it when you are at home. Now the next one is your homework. Go to page 17, 27. On page 27 there is addition problem. That is addition facts rule 10 is a word problem. First read it and then answer. Say for example, there are 4 rabbits, 5 more rabbits come. Now how many are here? The total number of rabbits. You are asked to write total of rabbits. Here you have 9 leaves, 6 leaves, also another type of leaf. The sum of these 2 leaves will be how much? Again here, Miguel has 10 cents. He buys a doll for 7. How much money does he have left now? Jenny, if it can be addition. The problem can be addition or subtraction. Here again, Jenny has 5 flowers. She finds 2 more. What's the sum of 5 plus 2? There are 8 here, what we call an animal, and 3 run away. What is 8 minus 3? Subtraction problem. I buy a pencil for 4 cents. I buy a pen for 6. How much money did I spend? Dash cents here. So these are the homeworks. Now we have discussed addition and subtraction in detail. So this is all about today's lesson. Thank you for listening and watching. See you in the next.